Hey there, if you have a Lumix GH6 or GH7 and you are switching a lot between the photo and video modes, and you want to have different settings like ISO, white balance, photo style, you have to set it up as follows. Go into the menu, then on the left side select the gear icon. On the image quality tab go to page 2 and there's the setting Creative Video Combined Set. And now if you set everything to the camera icon, then you have completely different settings. This makes sense if you film a lot in the vlog profile but want to take photos in the standard profile. So if I now switch to the video mode, let me just set it up so I have the vlog profile. And now switching back to the photo mode, then it's still in standard style. So now I can have completely different settings.